Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'll be teaching you the phrase I am sorry in Shona. So, I am sorry in Shona, it's ndine urombo. Ndine urombo. Ndine urombo. Okay. So, I am sorry, please forgive me. In Shona, it's ndine urombo, ndinokumbirawo ruregerero. Ndine urombo, ndinokumbirawo ruregerero. So to respond to that, it's either you are forgiving the person. Yes, you say, yes, I forgive you, which is hongu ndakuregerera. Hongu ndakuregerera. Or if you are not forgiving the person, it's handina kukuregerera. Handina kukuregerera. So these are the two responses that you might use to respond to this phrase. Okay, so as a recap, I am sorry in Shona, it's ndine urombo. Ndine urombo. Please forgive me in Shona, it's ndinokumbirawo ruregerero. Ndinokumbirawo ruregerero. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Ndatenda.